Madaming galit sa marketers dahil ang common belief is that marketing is about tricking customers into buying something that they don't need. At dahil doon, may kasabihan na marketers are liars. Siguro, meron ng mga ganon. Kaya nagkaroon na tinatawag nating ethical marketing. Now, ang ethical marketing ay yung klase ng marketing nakafocus on understanding the customer's needs and then providing solutions that really genuinely benefit them. Just like one of my clients. Sanay siya sa paggamit ng mga clickbait headlines at intentionally confusing ads para lang makabenta sa kanyang online shop. Nang nakita ko yon, pinagsabihan ko siya and she learned that, number one, hindi pala sustainable ang ganung diskarte. Pwede mong mapabili ang customer ng minsan, pero pag feel niya na naisahan mo siya, hindi na siya babalik sa'yo, right? You not only lose the customer, he will also tell at least 7 people about how sleazy you are. Now, number 2, gaining customers is about having a good and long relationship with them. Hindi lang ito one-shot deal. Repeat sales and referrals are going to be very helpful for you. Kaya ngayon, nagsisi siya and she has totally embraced ethical marketing. Sinasabi niya ang totoong features at benefits ng benta niya at hindi na siya nang uuto. She is now what I call a business-minded Pinoy.